Welcome to Karelia, a place where time seems to stand still. Here at the Korela Fortress, ancient stones whisper stories of the past.
This is Korela Fortress.
Just steps away, local crafts capture the spirit of the region, charming little souvenirs full of warmth and history. As I wandered down this quiet path, I felt something shift. Sometimes we don't need answer, just a walk, a breeze, and the feeling that we are exactly where we need to be. The road through Karelia is a journey through layers of nature and culture. Our guide shared tales of this land, while outside the landscape gently passed us by. Calm lakes, endless forests, and sleepy little towns. There is beauty in slowing down and simply looking out the window. In the heart of Sortavala, I found more than just souvenirs.
Here is different souvenirs. I'd like buy this one.
I found pieces of someone's craft, someone's hands, someone's home. Every little item holds a story.
I have bought candle that smell like forest.
A quick glance at the map, and off I go, letting the streets guide me. I believe cities reveal themselves not on paper but on foot. Ahvenkoski Waterfalls. The sound of rushing water, the scent of pine, and the feeling of mist on my skin. Ahvenkoski is pure magic. I crossed little wooden bridges and followed their current, feeling small in the best way possible. There is something healing about water. It flows, it finds a way, just like we do. The marble canyon greeted me with calm reflections and towering cliffs. As I walked to Lake Svetloye, nature kept unfolding, raw, wild, and endlessly beautiful. Karelia doesn't just show you its beauty, it invites you into it. Italian quarry. I found myself by the water where people had left behind little towers of stone, tiny monuments of presence. A reminder that we are all just visitors, leaving behind traces, moments, and memories. I decided to join the tradition and build a small stone tower too. Sometimes it's the smallest rituals that feel the most meaningful. Then I saw a squirrel, just one, but she made my day. Nature is truly alive here. Deep in the rocks, we found an underground lake. Someone was singing, and the echo turned it into a lullaby for the earth. Later, I stepped into the cave. Dark, white, ancient, like stepping into the planet's memory. And finally, the White Mountain.
I'm going to climb on the White Mountain. Let's go.
I climbed to the top, and the view opened like a secret. At the summit, I found statues and even a palm-shaped carving, a symbol of presence, a silent high five from someone I'll never meet. All around were more of those tiny stone towers loved by travelers like me.
And as you can see, here is a lot of mini mountains that were made by people with stones.
By the way, it was hot. So hot I thought I might melt, but somehow that made everything feel even more real, more alive. The next day, I wandered into a little zoo. First, flamingos, graceful and strange, sipping water in the oldest way. Birdsong filled the air and bright fish swam in lazy circles. Then capybaras quietly doing their capybara things, calm, unbothered, adorable. But the lemurs, they saw the show, so playful, so curious, like tiny acrobats. And the monkey, I don't even have words, just joy. In the petting area, a goat nibbled from someone's hand. There were bunnies, hamsters, and all kinds of soft little creatures. It felt like childhood, like warmth, like home. So that was my trip. A few days full of nature, peace, and quiet discoveries. Thank you for coming with me. Until next time, stay curious, stay gentle, and don't forget to notice the little things.